Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a brightness slider to your notifications center in Windows 10. Are you tired of navigating through the settings menu every time you need to adjust your screen brightness? Well, we've got you covered. Follow these simple steps to add a convenient brightness slider to your notification center. Step 1. Start by clicking on the notification icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. If the Quick Actions panel is not expanded, go ahead and click Expand to reveal all the available options. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus A to open the Action Center without using the mouse. Step 2. Next, right-click on an empty area within the Quick Actions panel. If you're using a touchscreen device, press and hold on the screen to bring up the context menu. From there, select Edit Quick Actions to customize the available options. Step 3. In the Quick Actions editing window, click on the Add button to add new shortcuts to your panel. Look for the brightness option and click on it to add the brightness slider. This will allow you to quickly adjust your screen brightness with just a swipe. Step 4. Finally, click Done to save your changes and exit the editing mode. Congratulations! You've successfully added a brightness slider to your notification center. Now you can easily control your screen brightness directly from the notification center, saving you time and effort. No more digging through menus or adjusting settings every time you need to make a quick adjustment. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.